I'm so glad we're doing this poetry hangout again. Today's poem is such a treat, The Tale of Custard the Dragon by Ogden Nash. It's a riot.
Totally! I didn't expect to laugh while reading a poem. It starts like a sweet nursery rhyme but ends like an action movie.
That's Ogden Nash for you. He was known for writing funny, witty poems, and this one's got everything: animals with bold personalities, a pirate, and an unexpected twist.
Yeah. Belinda's household seems so cozy at first, with her kitten, mouse, dog, and Custard the dragon.
Exactly. She lives in a little white house with her brave pets, Ink the kitten, Blink the mouse, Mustard the dog, and Custard the dragon, who's, well, not so brave.
I love the irony. You'd think the dragon would be the boldest, right? But he wants a nice safe cage.
And the others, even the mouse, keep teasing him, calling him a coward.
But the moment an actual pirate breaks into the house, all the so-called brave ones scatter.
And Custard? The cowardly dragon suddenly turns into a beast. He fights the pirate, gobbles him up, and saves everyone.
That's such a strong message, though. It's not about how loud you are, or how much you boast. Real courage is quiet and shows itself when needed.
What did you all think about the rhyme scheme?
It's super catchy, AABB. That consistent rhythm makes it sound like a children's tale, which is ironic considering the poem gets kind of dark in the middle.
True. And there's so much repetition and alliteration, like Belinda was as brave as a barrel full of bears, it adds that musical quality.
I noticed Nash plays with nonsense words too, like realio, trulio brave. It's playful, even silly, but it sets the tone for the whole poem, exaggerated and humorous.
The contrast between appearance and reality is cleverly done. It's a sort of mock-heroic poem. It parodies the traditional tales of bravery.
There's something really real in there, though. The poem is making fun of those who pretend to be brave and showing us that courage can come from unexpected places.
And maybe it's also about self-acceptance. Custard didn't boast, didn't fight for attention. He just quietly proved himself.
Another interesting thing, even after Custard saves them, the others go right back to mocking him. It shows how society often doesn't change its mindset, even when proven wrong.
Which is kind of sad, but also funny. Like, they know he's the real hero, but they can't admit it.
So, what did we learn from Custard?
Never judge someone by how they look or act on the surface. Real strength might be hiding behind a shy smile.
And always be kind, you never know who'll save the day.
Oh! And if you have a dragon, don't lock him in a cage, keep him around for emergencies.
Love this poetic tale of bravery and banter?
Then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Eloquent Explorers.
Next up, the Sermon at Benares, Wisdom from the Buddha's Path.
See you in the next episode.